Tonight with a Target 8 investigation. The second death in less than a year involving a Muskegon County Jail inmate is leading to new questions tonight about medical care.
The latest death, a mother of 3 locked up on a probation violation. Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker is breaking this story, all new at 6.
The neurosurgeon who treated Tiffany Davis at the hospital told Target 8 that doctors may have been able to save her if the jail had sent her to the emergency room sooner. He told us she was unresponsive and suffering multiple brain hemorrhages when she finally reached the ER. Tiffany Davis's mom says she had called the Muskegon County Jail repeatedly 3 days before the death last month.
And I begged them to take my daughter to the emergency room. They refused. They informed me they were well-equipped, exact words, well-equipped to take care of their inmate.
Davis, who was 39, had a short history of minor crimes. 2, actually. She was locked up at the Muskegon County Jail on January 4th for breaking into a vacant home in Muskegon. She later pleaded guilty to a misdemeanor illegal entry charge. But the charge violated her probation on an earlier minor drug conviction, which was why she was still in jail. She was to appear in court February 27th for sentencing.
She was a beautiful girl.
Yeah.
She was a wonderful girl. She loved her children with all her heart.
Davis's mom says she tried visiting her daughter at the jail on February 18th, but her daughter's cellmate came out instead.
The young lady was very worried.
The cellmate told her that her daughter had suffered a seizure, was complaining of headaches, and was in the jail's infirmary. The mom says that's when she started calling the jail. What should they have done?
They should have took my daughter to the emergency room.
The day after the visit on February 19th, the jail medical staff asked Muskegon County Chief Circuit Judge Timothy Hicks to issue a personal recognizance bond for Davis. The judge told Target 8 that the PR bond allowed the jail to release her to the hospital, no longer in custody. That takes the jail off the hook for her hospital bills and means that the sheriff is not required to report her death to the federal government, which tracks jail deaths.
They took her and dropped her off like a dog at the emergency room.
Neurosurgeon Dr. Christopher Marquardt would not go on camera, but says that Davis was in, quote, bad shape when she arrived, unresponsive and suffering multiple hemorrhages scattered through her brain. He says doctors found no drugs in her system and no signs of trauma. She was brain dead the next morning. Davis's mom says she learned from her friend the next day that her daughter was in the hospital. She says her daughter had no recent medical problems.
I think she wanted me. I think she was going through hell and she was alone. And it was their fault that she was alone. My daughter was never awake where I could see her again.
Muskegon County Sheriff Michael Poland operates the jail. Hey, I'm working on a story about Tiffany Davis, who died on the 20th. Okay. Was an inmate at your jail. We talked to her mom, who said that she had been trying to get her to the hospital for several days and that you guys ignored her.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Do you know anything about this?
Well, I know she was here.
Okay. She says that
listen, Ken, do me a favor, all right? Don't sit here and ram me right now, all right? I got a friend of mine, all right, who's got hospice care. I'm heading there right now.
Okay, well, we need to ask this. This is an important question about inmates who are dying at your jail.
Wait, is that right?
Absolutely. Or inmates who are dying in your care.
Well,
Why would you release her? Why would you release her on PR bond? Was that so you wouldn't have to pay the bill? The jail has a $6.7 million 5-year contract with Tennessee-based WellPath to provide medical care. The company has faced 1,400 federal lawsuits over deaths and allegations of poor care at jails across the country. The Michigan Attorney General is still investigating the April 2019 death of inmate Paul Bolthouse, who had suffered 17 seizures in a close observation cell at the Muskegon County Jail. Tiffany Davis's family also wants her death investigated.
They shan't get away with this. And for the other people that coming up, nobody should go through this.
Now, the doctor is waiting for autopsy results to determine exactly how she died. In a statement, WellPath, the private medical provider, said it could not comment because of privacy. Also, Tiffany Davis's family said that they donated her organs to help others. I'm Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker.